Hey, Dr. Don here. I'm super excited. I'm super pumped. I hope you are too, because coming up next week on Tuesday, July the 15th, we're going live. So me and Damaris are going to be live on a Zoom call, a Zoom workshop with you. We want you to be there because we're going to be really encouraging and supporting and empowering you. This is actually um, a new thing we're starting. Okay, every 2 weeks we're going to go live on Zoom inside the Detox Your Marriage School community, and these live workshops are, yeah, they're designed to basically help you, support you, encourage you, give you hope, but also super practical because you need that, right? You need practical help to improve your extremely difficult relationship. That's why you're in the school community. So I'll tell you, I've learned, I've been doing therapy almost 30 years, practically 30 years now. And I've been doing couples therapy the whole time. And along the way, I've learned what works and I've learned what doesn't work. I've also provided clinical supervision for a bunch of therapists. Okay, so I've been supervising their work and uh, giving them direction and troubleshooting their work so that they can provide the best help to the couples that they're providing therapy for. So all of that to say, I've learned a lot about what doesn't work and what does work when it comes to couples therapy generally. And what we're going to be talking about on Tuesday is why, for a marriage like yours, not your fault, but a marriage like yours where you're married to a narcissist guy, couples therapy typically, usually, almost always is a freaking disaster. And that's not about you. That's about the unique dynamic that gets going in a relationship where one person has got strong narcissistic traits. So we're going to break that down. We're going to explain exactly why that kind of thing happens in a marriage like yours. But we're also going to kind of lead you to the better place, what needs to happen instead to get you the marriage that you want. So that's where we're going. Tuesday, July 15th, 1 p.m. Eastern. That's 12 noon Central. That's 11 a.m. Mountain Time, and that's 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Click the link below to join. Um, if you click the link now, you can get it into your calendar. Um, and we want you to be there because we want to support you and encourage you and give you hope and give you practical help. Looking ahead, 2 weeks after that, we're going to be doing a deep dive on boundaries. You know about boundaries. You've tried to implement boundaries in your marriage. You've got family and friends and your pastor and I don't know other people, saying, "Hey, what you got to do is you got to have firmer boundaries." Well, we're going to do a deep dive on why the conventional application of boundaries is a disaster and what you need to do to instead to get boundaries actually working, because it's actually a really powerful thing when you do it right. But it takes some nuance, it takes some tweaking, it takes some kind of advanced level boundary implementation. But when you do, it's great. It's great. So that's coming up. Basically, we're doing these live workshops on Zoom once every 2 weeks, only every 2 weeks because we're super busy helping women. So it's every 2 weeks. And so mark your schedule, make sure that you're free Tuesdays at 1 Eastern or whatever in your time zone every second week because you're going to get gold. You're going to get awesome, awesome support and encouragement and help for your marriage. All right. So, by the way, if you haven't booked a 50-minute call yet with me or somebody on my team, click that link below and let's get on a call. What we'll do is it's only 50 minutes, but we're going to go deep and fast and figure out, like, what do you need, and point you in the right direction for what you need to start the change process. So I'd love to connect, or somebody on my team would love to connect with you for that quick start call. All right. So See you on Tuesday. See you on Tuesdays. It's going to be good.